telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Ayy, I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy,
blood, baby, this the blood. I don't use my head, I let the blood down. These and match and make it blood. I can mix it in the nigga, hit the grip. I'ma let my hip tuck. Put a quarter in the dick, you gotta clip, y'all. Freak, ooh, 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 ooh. And the clip is CEE too. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me, got two on me. Plug in, yes, two on me. Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that fake shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no practice shit, and I ain't on no rap shit. No looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch. I checkin' the floor, thinking like, hey man, what's crackin', bitch? I'm 2 floors up on you niggas. I'm 2 floors up on you niggas, yeah. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me, got two on me. Plug in, yeah,
black glow, I like black. Never play, he get white. Now you tryna find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. G9, make 2 blocks, just bought a map. A map for your face, low, rearrange your couch. 1 foot in the industry, 1 foot in the top. Buy that dope to my cut line, I treat him like my strap. Cut by me, he'll take the nigga feed off the milk. V till I'm sleep, push the P, he get caught. 2 guns, got the twin glocks, I roger that. Heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like a apostrophe, good people gotta come in the back. Stay on with 250K, we go better train on that, nigga.
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yes,
big black like swoop. Yeah, what you want, what do you want? Hey, bitch, this is for a punk, yeah. What is shit, y'all? Hey, big black, cause I bleed, y'all. What do you want, what do you breathe, y'all? Hey, I'm
Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's said, cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning but I'm fine. No, I'm nobody. sure? Didn't we deserve more? The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel like the world would die out? My anxiety's off the roof, I cry out. We have gone too far, take me back right now. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees